Have you wondered why Python is a buzzword in the DevOps world? Why do so many DevOps engineers swear by it? Let's break it down. So in this video, I'll explain why Python is essential for DevOps, how you can use it to streamline your workflows, and the challenge Python can solve in the DevOps ecosystem. Let's jump into it. Hi, this is Venkatesh.Sarivisetty. Welcome to my channel. And today we're going to talk about why the Python is required in DevOps. So the basic point for the Python is like versatility. That means Python is a general purpose language that fits perfectly into DevOps workflow from automation and orchestration to testing and monitoring. So Python has you covered. So ease of learning and use. Python's simple syntax make it easy for DevOps engineers to pick up quickly, even if you are not a developer. Plus, it has a massive community for support. And the wide range of libraries, Python has libraries like Boto3 for AWS and PyTest for testing people. So these libraries enable rapid development and integration into DevOps pipelines and cross-platform support. That means Python works seamlessly across Linux, macOS, and Windows, making it ideal for multiple platform environments. Coming to that, so the next point is like how Python is used in DevOps. So I just want to quickly cover it. The main point for the DevOps, why you need a Python is automation. So Python scripts are widely used for automating repetitive tasks like provisioning servers, managing configurations, and deploying applications. Tools like Ansible even use Python under the hood. So infrastructure as a code. With the Python libraries like Boto3 and Azure, you can write scripts to provision cloud infrastructure, offer more flexible than traditional ISC tools when needed. And continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD. Python is used to write custom scripts for CI/CD pipelines, extending the capabilities of tools like Jenkins, GitLab, and GitHub Actions. And monitoring and logging. Python can integrate with monitoring tools like Prometheus, Nagios, and process logs efficiently, making it easier to detect and resolve issues in real time. Testing and validation. Automated testing in critical in DevOps and Python libraries like a PyTest and unit test are great for writing test cases for infrastructure and application like. So this is about the Python usage of the DevOps. So this is very interesting, right? And there are so many challenges can be overcome by using the DevOps also. That means repeating the manual task and integrating between two tools like a Python bridge the gaps between the disparate DevOps tools, enabling seamless integration and custom workflows. And error-prone configuration. With Python, you can write idempotent scripts that reduce the human errors in server configuration and deployment process. And scaling challenges. Python scripts can manage and automate scaling of cloud resources dynamically, ensuring your applications stay performant. Finally, I just want to quickly touch upon the real examples for the Python. So first example, I can take it as an automating cloud deployments. There are in the production environment, if you want to scale up or if you want to deploy a 50 EC2 instances with a specific configuration, yes, you can very well use Python Boto3. You can do it in a minute with a single script. And next example is like CI/CD pipeline configuration. Yes, Python script can validate code quickly and quality test and deployment applications and all tailored to your needs. The third one is log analysis. That's the beauty of Python. Python can parse the logs into multiple services and identify anomalies and even send alerts to your stack and mail. So the potential challenges of using Python is like the performance. Python is not a fastest language, so for tasks requiring high performance, you might need integrate with faster code or languages like Go or Rest. And learning curve for the complex use cases. While Python is easy to learn, mastering its advanced capabilities, especially for DevOps, takes time and practice. So that's it for this video. I just want to recap it quickly. Like Python is a powerful tool for any DevOps engineer, helping you to automate, integrate, and innovate across your workflows. So if you have a Python, if you used Python in DevOps, are planning to do it, share your experience in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.